Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the Plumbers Mate. It says, "Will keep you dry." It's an absorbent utility pad that's made in the USA. It's got a money-back guarantee and it easily holds about 1 quart. In each package is 6 24-inch by 24-inch pad. It's perfect for sinks, faucets, toilets, drains, water heaters. This is a great tool, and I use this as I say the word tool. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, a plumber, somebody in air conditioning, where you have delicate furniture, maybe office furniture or hardwood floors, or if you're a plumber, do-it-yourselfer that has, you're working around custom cabinets, this is perfect for you. And so what I love about this is the size. Now each pad is a 24-inch by 24-inch pad. So you know how you get to a job site and you'd have to lay plastic down and then maybe have to lay down a cloth, not a cloth, but like a towel. And then when you're done with the job, you have to fold everything up and you hope to gosh that there's no leaks. Or maybe you got to the job and you forgot a tarp and you put down towels and then you get water on it. Why stress out over it? You should be looking at the Plumbers Mate. And so each pad is 24 inches by 24 inches. And on the back side of the absorbent side, it's solid plastic. And so this is awesome. You're going to love this. Now, we're going to do this together. I'm not leaving. And we're going to do this together, you and I. We're going to put this guy right in here. And we're going to take about 16 ounces of water. And I'm going to put 16 ounces of water on there. And I'm not going to dump it on there. But we're going to get that water in there. You're going to see it pouring. Now, right now, if you imagine yourself, you're working at home, you're a do-it-yourself, you're a plumber, an AC guy, you got water dripping on someone's really nice office furniture, or maybe you're worried about your home floors or your hardwood floors or cabinets, this is where the Plumbers Mate comes in. It's perfect. Oh, it's totally perfect. And so you can find this for maybe 25 bucks, 20 to 25 bucks at Ace Hardware. I mean, before I started the video, I went online to look to see where I could get these. And this is awesome. Now, the people that rep these out is a company called Rectorseal, and they make air conditioning products. And they partner with the company that makes the Plumbers Mate. And this is just a good stuff, man. Look at this. Check this out. I'm pouring more water in. You can see it absorbing. It's doing its job. It's getting it done. It's absorbing that water. Holding this up so it doesn't collapse right here. Come over here and pour some more water. Again, can you imagine if you're a do-it-yourselfer or a plumber or an air conditioning tech and you're like, holy crap, and I've done it. You're like, holy crap, I got water all over someone's desk. What am I going to do? Okay, so that's 16 ounces of water right there. We're going to let that absorb a little bit. Like I said, go online or look at Ace Hardware or somewhere online and you can get this. And this is called the Plumbers Mate. So now we're going to start folding this in. We're going to try to make sure we don't get any drips on the wood. If we do, it's not because of the Plumbers Mate, it's because of me. But we're going to get this folded in nice and close. We're going to get the corners folded in. We're going to get this guy all set up. Now, right now it's absorbing even more water because I'm bringing in the dry parts of the pad. And so right now it's all done. We're going to pull this guy away. And there you have it. It's all trapped inside here. It's all trapped inside here. That was 16 ounces of water. We got it done. We kept the area nice and dry. Look how dry that is. We can take that over. We can throw it in the trash can and we're calling it good. And we've taken care of the customer, fixed the water leak, and we didn't have any desks or furniture or cabinets or flooring damaged. And this is the Plumbers Mate. Made in the USA, 20 to 25 bucks. You definitely want to check this out. So work safe, be good humans, and we'll see you next time.